This Windermere Real Estate / Whatcom Incorporated property video is presented by Kathy Stouffer. Let the sun shine in. West-facing sought-after single-level home with 3-car garage, classic rambler floor plan. No wasted space, lots of great storage and ready for you to update and remodel. Stunning entry showcases the superior fairway location. Tucked away quietly in street Andrews Green, this home offers lush mature landscaping and peace and quiet. Better than building from the ground up, this home has a newer cedar shake roof and some of the best bones when it comes to design. Clean line entry office / 3RD bedroom, great room with fireplace and vaulted ceiling captures the view. Gracious dining room with bay window, kitchen / family room offers an excellent use of space. Private guest suite. Master on the view.